Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix the missing Windows installer service. To get started, search for Registry editor. Now copy this registry location from the video description. Paste it in the address bar of Registry editor and hit enter. This will take you to the MSI server key. Now double click on the start key and make sure this value data is set to either 3 or 2. Now restart your computer for the changes to take effect. However, if this method is not working, continue with the next method. Go to this link, I'll give the link in the video description, and download the file. Now right click over the file and open it with Notepad. Click on File, then Save As. Here select All Files and in the file name rename it to msiserver.fix.reg and save it. Now after saving you'll get a similar file. Open Registry editor now. Click on File and then Import. Now browse and select the file which you have saved just now and click on Open. You'll get a similar message. Click on OK. And that's it, the job is done. Now close everything and restart your computer and the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.